So, plan another video. Double upload again. You know, I'm just trying to get as much footage with Eddie Hood before, you know, he leaves to go back to America. So,
Alright.
Wow, I put a badge.
No, but I'm gonna leave, but I'm sure I'm not America though.
What's that one?
I'm going to America.
What's that one?
Yeah, Ghana.
Okay.
Ghana,
Well,
yeah,
we're coming, we're going here.
Yeah.
Which brings us to this reaction video. We're reacting to Rakghana. You know, is this guy who asks people questions, but say Ghana. Sometimes he comes to South Africa now. Yeah, ask people questions, you know, all of that. So this video, he's asking people, where does rain come from? So let's check that out.
Watch as much as you can. Netflix.com.
Look at this.
Semiji ubamboa mitumita si wone mi.
Get his studio time. Get his studio time. And so I bet she's
Wow.
What is she singing about?
I don't know now, but
But I heard.
she's auditioning. She's
That's my Juliet.
So, anything you are promoting, anything you like to?
Yes, I'm contesting for a music contest on TV, on CJTV. Praise Kids.
That's what I'm saying.
So
But,
if you
she's
want to
auditioning
vote
this
for
one.
me, just dial *365*300# to my name, Justina.
Where does rain come from?
Somebody come look at this.
It comes from the west. What? It comes from the west.
West Side.
All those who live in the
The
west side.
the rain
Now we
comes
know
from
where the
side.
rain comes from.
Coming from the
It
west
is
side.
let him fool him up. You know.
Comes from the west. Hello. And sets where?
Set in the east.
I want to go home. I don't want to.
Which part of the west does rain come from?
I think Israel, Bethlehem, Jerusalem.
Mama, will you shut up your mouth?
So, how does rain form?
Here we go again.
When the Israelites came together, they prayed to God and it's what?
When the Israelites come together.
What is that? Too? The Israelites.
The Israelites. So, is that what he calls people from Israel? The Israelites.
When they
They come together, they pray to God. Just bring the rain down. Bring the rain down.
I know you are watching this video and I know you like this video.
Yes,
like
sir.
It now. Thank you.
Where does rain come from?
Heavy.
You say?
Oh my boy.
Yes. God is crying.
God is
How does rain come from heaven?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Like if you pray to God.
Like me, I know. It's like God is disappointed with Jesus.
Yeah, with that.
Why did you go to
Yeah. Why? Why did you go to her? He just cries and it rains.
And then every time when he cries, it's because he remembers good things.
This guy, yeah, to earth. And I went down back. I'm fucked up. I brought my child to fucked up people. I can't. Every time God, you cry. You cry. You guys must do better.
How does rain come from heaven?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Like if you pray to God, God will answer our prayer. That He will give us rain.
Let's go.
Will judge you.
Scientifically speaking, where does rain come from?
No, I don't deal with science.
Really?
When I see miracle, science. You know what I'm saying? This is a miracle in the eye.
But that doesn't give you the right to be rude, please.
And see where it's coming from. You know what I'm saying? That's God's creation.
No doubt about it.
The
That's
amount
God's
of rain
creation.
that comes down manually or annually.
Annually or annually?
Annually.
Rain is control.
Yo. Manual. God has a switch.
Hey,
It's going to come again next year annually.
God have mercy upon us.
Where does rain come from?
It comes from, how do you call it?
Go ask your grandfather.
The top.
The top.
Yeah.
Is it from heaven or where?
No, don't do it.
Exactly. It's from heaven.
Heaven.
Yeah.
I'll recite a nursery rhyme, but I won't complete it. So you complete it for me, okay? Rain, rain.
Rain, rain, rain.
You think it's a funny?
Where does rain come from?
It's about to go down.
If sin is plenty in the world and God is angry,
Hey,
when he
I
begins to
told
cry,
you.
then
I told you. I told you. I told you. I told you. God is like he is angry. Like he's tired. He's tired. He's tired.
it comes down like rain.
Blood of Jesus.
So when it is heavy, that means God is very angry.
Don't angry me.
When rain is coming, which means God is very angry with us, so he's crying.
If not because of God, I forgot give her that. Make you go.
So what causes rain?
The anger of God.
Oh man. Oh man. It's. Oh man. The anger of God. The anger of God. Please, guys, stop making God. Stop making God anger, please. Please, so that we cannot have rain today. Please. It comes manually or annually. Manually or annually.
God will judge you.
Rain, rain.
Come away. Come away. Little people want to
Rain away.
rain, come away.
Your voice is unpredictable.
Where does rain come from?
How does it go?
I don't actually.
As it is rain, rain, go away. Eh?
Rain, rain. Calm down and rain. Rain, rain, calm. What? Oh yes! Oh yes!
Actually know the procedure, but it comes from the sky.
Okay.
I'll sing a nursery rhyme, but I don't complete it, so you complete it for me, okay?
Somebody come look at this.
Rain, rain.
Go away, go away.
Bruh.
Another day.
Another day.
Wants to
This
play
is
rain,
another
rain, go away.
I don't know. I am making
Where does rain come from?
Rain comes from the clouds, basically.
That's right.
Yeah.
We have the sun hitting the surface of the earth, drawing the moisture from the surface of the earth, which
Hey,
is
it's hitting them with
basically
the
the water bodies.
scientific
We have the river, the lagoon, and all that stuff.
Continue.
So this moisture is being drawn. It's from a cloud. Then when the clouds form, it rains.
A brief
Where does
explanation.
rain come from?
The firmament.
Really?
The earth contain, a moisture, and it contains, water. So when, there is enough heat, maybe by the process of the sun.
Google Digital Skills for Africa.
Like he has
offers
it.
online
But
courses.
firmament, what's that?
Learn new skills such
What's firmament?
Sun and the sunshine, it evaporates.
Oh, wow.
And by that process, it goes through these
Why is it?
condensation, and later on, it breaks down the ices, and we have, rain or dew. So that is one thing I would say.
Whoa.
Yes, sir.
Firmament.
Yes, sir.
Where does rain come from?
Look at this.
From the clouds.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because of evaporation from the sea.
Oh, okay.
Can you break down the process for me?
Just take a listen to this.
Evaporation, which is the process by which water changes to water vapor by heating.
Yeah.
So when the sea or any water body is heated up,
Continue.
it goes to form part of the clouds,
Yeah.
and it comes back as rain.
Sure, my boy.
Educate you.
When you say someone is the next of kin, what does it mean?
Like I am the king. My son is prince. If I die, she will be the king. If she will be the king.
Shout out to you, bro.
Next of kin.
Who is the next of kin?
Look at this.
It's the prince.
The prince.
Yeah.
The next of kin is a prince.
But
Yeah.
it sounds like Ben is saying.
Next of king,
Yeah,
yeah.
it sounds like he's saying.
For me, my brother's right. Next of king is the prince.
Yes,
The next
sir.
of kin is someone who is closely related to a person.
When you say somebody is your next of kin,
You know what I'm saying? It's a nice question to ask me, man. Because I'm king of music, you know what I'm saying?
I knew he's an artist, that's true. I knew for the fact that he says manually and annually. I knew with this guy he does music or something.
Yeah, that's what your next of kin is, your child or anybody that you know that when I'm not there, that person will be there.
When we say someone is the next of kin, who is that person?
Someone who die after you.
What do you say?
Who's going to die after you?
Jesus!
Oh my word.
Someone who die after you.
After you is next of kin.
So if you die today, the one who dies after you is next of kin.
I hope I'm not the next of kin. When we say someone is the next of kin, who is that person to you?
It's a family member that wish to have or to take over my property or my bank account or anything when I'm not alive or anymore.
Okay. Can you make me your next of kin?
You are not my family member, so you can't.
Who is the next of kin?
Oh, anybody you will endorse. That if peradventure you are no longer there, the person will act in your capacity. Yeah, so that is the next of kin.
Vocabulary is hard at this
When you say someone is your next of kin, what does it mean?
You mean someone who is in charge of something. Like if, example, the president. If the president is not there, the next of kin is the vice.
It's what?
So, like someone.
Yeah, it's just the idea. But explanation is
So the next of kin is someone who is closely related to someone. So the next of kin is your sister or your brother. That's if you have one.
Yeah.
In what instances do you use your next of kin?
You use the next of kin for maybe you want to do something important like a bank and your property. You want to give it to someone. Maybe you don't have a children. Maybe your sister is there. Maybe your brother. You can use it for them. That is why you use the next of kin.
Well done. Clap on for yourself.
Hypothetically speaking, okay? If your mother should get a call that you are in trouble and you've been arrested and you're at the police station, what do you think is the first thing that would come into your head that you've committed?
Look at this.
This my nigga, like what's about to come from you? Like I know it's gonna slap.
Now you can see with his processing it.
Like
But the fact that he said the anger, oh God, my home is gonna kill it.
First thing that would come into your head that you've committed.
Look at this.
Hey, this one there, I've gone to impregnate someone's daughter.
What did I hear?
I've gone to impregnate someone's daughter. Yeah.
Why?
She knows that I'm a bad boy.
Shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you. No,
She knows I'm a bad boy.
Silly boy.
Please subscribe to Rakghana on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and please like their videos.
If humans have two legs, how many trees do legs have? Hello, how are you, dear?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, these are the bloopers. Yeah. Rakghana.
Oh, Charlie.
Yes.
Hey. Anyway, my mom's back home. So that's the end of the video. Where does rain come from? Alongside with Unkululeko. Oh, okay. For those who don't know, my first name is Siaboga. Yeah. Man, we are here. We did it. How we did it. How we did it. How we did it. Thank you. Thanks. Thanks. How we did it. But anyway, I hope you guys like the reaction videos. Like, comment, subscribe, go follow. Thank you. So, yeah, man, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. We're doing this every day with your boy Q, the one and only S.C.P. Let's go.